Why would Igbo people not agitate for Biafra? With these level of mistreatment going on in broad daylight against them in Nigeria, you don't want the Igbos to go. At the same time, you mistreat and sideline them in Nigeria. Former Labour Party Chairman Dan, speaking on continuous Igbo marginalization in Nigeria and the agitation for Biafra.
The Igbo man, I'm not saying it because I'm Igbo, is the most patriotic Nigerian. And if you look at it, the Igbo man is the man that is actually working towards the unity of Nigeria. There is no place in this country you won't find a well-built house by an Igbo man. Okay, let's go to the southeast. Nigerians are watching me. How many Nigerians have built houses in the southeast? A friend once challenged me. I said, it's because we don't give our land. I said, is that so? I said, yes. That was when I was still in Ondo. I kept quiet. I traveled home, brought one CFO. I said, take. Go and do the power of attorney. Go and build in Igbo land. He said, no, I don't need it. You don't need it. But give me one in Ondo. I have a house in Ondo town. That is the spirit of the Igbo man. There is a saying in Igbo land, Ebo nyebi kona awachi. Where you live, you protect. Nigerians don't invest in other place. Most Nigerians don't invest any place apart from their place. Apart from Abuja, that is a gold mine. Check. These are things Nigerians will not admit and say. But the Igbo man will build in Karonamuda. He will build in Zamfara. He will build in Iloluji. He will build everywhere where he lives. So and he takes it as a home. That is patriotism. So what happens in the call of Biafra and, looking at the United Nations? No, I'm coming to that point. That is why politically and economically, the government has strangulated, they believe that the government has strangulated the Igbo man, that they don't want them. And that's why you saw this agitation. Okay, let us go if you don't want us. You said they will not go. They say, no, we want to go. You don't respect us. You don't give us a voice. You don't carry us along. Then why are we with you? Let us go. You have taken loans to do certain things in the federal government, including rails and all that. You did not put anywhere in the southeast. And this is a loan that will be part and parcel of repaying. A senator of Federal Republic got up in the Senate and said, well, if the southeast is not in this one, there can be in another one. A senator of the Federal Republic. Another one said, well, but they are involved in this concessioning. That was the same thing they did on Second Niger Bridge. So why will the people of the southeast not agitate? Why would they not protest? You have taken a loan that they will be part and parcel of repaying, and none of those projects is gotten across their place. If you have done it in any other part of Nigeria, I will speak in the same manner. You have to be fair. You have to be just. You have to be equitable. And you said the boys will not complain. You said they have no right to agitate. You cannot beat a child and tell the child not to cry. All you can do is to beat the child, but to cry, the child must cry.
Some people will say that the deputy Senate President
IPOB has gone far in diplomatic engagements on Biafra referendum, and no one or group should be a stumbling block. Again, they must understand that we are not going to back down on our match until Biafrans are given the opportunity to exercise our inalienable right to make a choice in a referendum. That is the cardinal point and agenda for peaceful negotiations with the Nigeria government. IPOB till today has not taken up arms against Nigeria state, but has always deployed superior arguments to make our case to the international community. Right now, our patience is fast running out. Do not blame us when we finally take up arms against Nigerian government, and be rest assured that the likes of Russia will be involved to make sure this contraption collapses for good, as it has happened in Niger Republic and a few other African countries. Stay tuned and have a blessed day.
The child must cry.
Some people will say that the deputy Senate President